Welcome to the Microlab on how to use My SCC. My SCC is a portal into a virtual machine that runs here on the Scottsdale campus, and it has access to all sorts of different applications, such as Microsoft Word, Excel, whatever, and it runs it in a Windows environment. You're learning this for two reasons. Number one, if you were working on a classroom assignment in class and then you saved it and now you're at another computer off campus, like at home, and you need to finish that homework. Or toward the end of the semester, you'll be using Access. And if you're a Mac user, you cannot use Access on your Mac, so you'll have to do it at My SCC. Here are the steps for how to use My SCC. First of all, go into Scottsdale Community College main page and click on the Students link. Up will pop the next window, and you'll scroll down a bit to find the My SCC link. When you click there, you'll be prompted to log in. Again, just use your MEID. You needn't use your whole email address and your MEID password, and click Log On. You may get the Duo authentication request, which sends a push to your phone. If you do, then click the Send Push, and then go to your phone and authorize it. After you authorize it on your phone, it will come back to this screen. Do not click the Detect Citrix Workspace app, big fat button. Click the one that says Use Light Version. When you do, it'll take a few seconds, but eventually you'll end up with this screen. Notice here you do have the four applications that we use in CIS 105, Access and PowerPoint and Word and Excel. These are full-blown applications that you can use while you're here and you don't need to worry about having them on your computer or whatever else. So here's how you might go about finishing a homework assignment, for example. You would start out at the All Drives H, S, and W because you saved your work on your H drive somewhere. So you click there, and again, it'll go through some gyrations, but you'll end up with this little screen here. You look through, notice this is, for example, the downloads on the H where you downloaded your homework. There it is right there. So you would double click on that icon, and it would open up Microsoft Word. Notice you still have the Downloads folder open, but you also have Microsoft Word open on a different tab in that same window. You then complete all of the necessary things that you had to do for your homework and save it, just as if you were working on a normal computer, which you are. It's just somebody else's computer somewhere. When you're done and you've saved everything, then you'll close that window and it'll take you back to the main app screen, and you'll open up Canvas and go through the appropriate procedure to turn in your work. And that's how you can use My SCC to complete or even start work that you were doing in class, saved on your H drive somewhere, and now you're at home, and now you can work on it as if you were at school. This next little bit is to show you how to use Access. If you're a Mac user, when we are talking about Access in CIS 105, you will not be able to use your Mac because there is no Access on Mac. So you'll have to come to My SCC and use Access. Now, you could launch the application from here, or again, you could go to your H drive and find the file that you downloaded. In this case, it's the grades Access database. You could just double click that, and it will launch the full-blown version of Access with all the buttons in the right place and everything that you need to do to complete your homework for that Access assignment. When you're done, follow all the precautions, whatever thing you need to do to save it, and then again, go back to Canvas and upload that information. There you have it, the Microlab on how to use My SCC, either to complete homework that you started in class at home, or to use Access if you are a Mac user. Thanks.